before we start, we need a suggestion from you guys about what the show is going to be about. And what kind of suggestion is that? I'm going to tell you. Think a location, like this location. A location with a purpose, sort of like this, a hospital, graveyard, or
An airplane.
An airplane.
an airplane. Thank you.
This is a very big airplane. Like you have seats on the first level, but there's also a second level with more seats.
The first class area is absolutely decked out with decadent fruits and vegetable bowls.
Everything in this airplane is actually made out of really refined wood.
There are beautiful bathrooms every 4 meters throughout the whole airplane.
The aisles are huge. People can even lay down in the middle.
And like most planes here, it is allowed to smoke, but only if they are fine and pan of cigars.
In the middle, in the center of the airplane, there's a little lodge cabin.
Every one of the seats has a couple of buttons on the side that will massage your back in different ways.
In front of the cabin, there is actually this beautiful fountain.
Can I get you guys anything?
I think we are fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're both fine?
Yeah.
Maybe
Okay.
maybe.
Did I come too soon to check?
No, it's okay.
It's never too soon.
Okay.
We love
Okay.
attentiveness.
Yes.
Yeah.
We value it.
Yeah.
Yes.
I want to stay here for a long
It's not about
time.
what we ask, it's about knowing that we can do that. So, thank you very much for being here.
I'll find my way out.
Dude, they always come at like the worst time.
Yeah, they are trying. It's just like, it's not easy to run a business like this. I mean,
I can imagine. I don't even know how they make their profit margins.
no. Well, I mean, it's not cheap to fly here, right?
Yeah.
I mean, we are paying a lot of money for these commodities, but then again, I mean, the experience.
And you know what Dad used to say? It's paying for convenience.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's exactly what we are doing. It's like, like I like to take long trips with this company, like the one we are taking, right? Like right now we are going from Denmark to Australia in a direct flight. It's not about arriving to Australia, it's about being here. That's as far as we can go, so. I know we're wrong. I'm pretty sure there are nice things to visit there.
As far as we can go.
As far from our initial destination.
Oh! I think that
Before
right
we
now
play.
we're as far as we could go to Australia. But yeah, you mean?
Yeah, but you know.
I follow you then.
Yeah. But we should use the opportunities that we have here. Maybe.
There's a button. Oh, or that works too.
Oh, sorry. Now you go.
No, please.
No, you were here first. He's also good.
Hi.
Yeah, we have. Is there service that can come from the front, or is it just?
No.
Yeah, well, we're being. Yeah.
Is it all at once?
Then I actually forgot. What did we?
I'm happy just with having their attention.
I kind of just like being pampered.
Oh. Maybe,
Massage?
Sure.
that.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's nice because you're sitting on a chair that can do the massage automatically, like it is, but it's just to get someone to do it for me.
Yeah. I've never had this is the Swedish. The friction of the fingers against the skull really creates a soothing blood flow.
Picture the campfire. Smell the wood.
Am I the campfire? I feel like the fire's starting. I can
It's doing good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you need anything else?
And you?
I mean, I'd love to be able to see what what you look like, but aside from that, I'm fine just being blind.
Yes. Maybe we can now take a moment.
I feel like the fire is legit starting.
Please. It's a different experience.
It's a different experience. I used to fly Ryanair.
Yeah.
This is the biggest step up
Yeah.
humanly possible.
I mean, you pay extra, probably.
You pay what you pay, what you get, what you
Yeah.
get.
Have you seen?
If you just like get it like in the middle of the fountain.
Yeah, like that's the thing, right? I'm like that's. What do you wish for?
I wish for money, but I don't know. I invested already like $10 on these. And this is the best use of our time here in the flight.
And the water doesn't move at all.
Yeah, it's with really like attention to detail everywhere here. Oh my God, it's like the quality of the build and everything. Wow. Wow.
No, don't do that. Like they're gonna figure out that we're not fancy.
I mean, we got upgraded to this plane for a reason.
Yeah,
It was
yeah.
like the other one was filled. Like,
Good evening.
Good evening.
My apologies, I must have confused you with someone else. Please keep enjoying the rest of your trip.
Sure, let me turn the water on for you, the waves.
That was close. That was pretty close. Okay.
It's getting so much more to be fancy. It's like, I don't know if I can live like this. Is this even worth it?
What did you two wish for? For a moment, I thought you didn't have monocles. Was I ever so worried?
This is going to be great.
You definitely look super fancy.
Yeah. We are one of them. We are one of them.
Yes.
We are gonna be accepted in Australia.
Yeah, no, throw more coins. We really need the money.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm putting on the capital vest. Good. This is a real emergency errand. There's 2 monocles missing. We're gonna find them, and they're gonna pay.
How good. Classic. Someone pretending to be someone they are not.
Okay,
Ah,
I haven't got that far, but that's smart.
that must be the case, right?
Yeah. They were thinking. What else?
I mean, they wanted to fit in with the people in this plane. They wanted to do networking with other people, you know, to get the contacts, to get in touch with, you know, the higher society.
So,
That's why they stole the monocles.
if I break their legs, will that hurt more on them then?
More what?
Than if they didn't think that way? What is the most painful way I can get back at these people? Or maybe just one person. That's also smart. If it's one person, we do 2. Psychopath!
Yeah. I mean, a single person is perfectly capable of stealing 2 monocles. That's a very good point you have there.
I have a capital arrest for you. Stefan,
I mean, security first. I'm not sure if this will be necessary, right? Like, I mean,
it will be. I can eat.
oh. You think that these people that are there stealing monocles are dangerous people? Like we really need the...
I am ready to stop the flight mid-air.
You two look ready for action.
Thank you, ma'am.
Just carting my goods over here. Don't mind me.
Thank you. We're here to serve the country.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me. Carry on. Nice dress.
Thank you. We're all wearing the same thing. It's a uniform, but thank you.
Later.
Okay. Where do you get your charm from? Because listen, you've been doing this for years more than I have, and I love the way that the airline treats us, but some of the customers can be challenging.
Yeah, but you have to put a
I
smile
know,
all the time.
I know.
All the time.
But yours is always so real. Vanessa, how do you do it?
I think that they're like friends, and then I just like smile all the way up. But you're doing great. Like, yeah, but yeah, basically yes. I think everybody here is my friend, and I just have this feeling of I really want to hug them, but I don't because that would be not.
Violation of the.
Yeah.
You can only the masseuses can unsolicitedly
Exactly.
passengers.
So I just transmit all that emotions to my face.
Okay. I didn't expect such a detailed answer.
I mean, you asked.
Yeah, I did.
To be honest, like, this is perfectly patterned. You're doing an amazing job. Like,
Thank you. I want to make a good impression to you as well. I look up to you. Yeah.
I feel like we know each other from before almost. Like if you were my friend. I think
I feel the same way. Why haven't we talked about this until now? Because I do feel the very same way about you. Every time, when I see you with other passengers, it brings something else new out of me. When I'm with you myself,
Okay. There's a few of us waiting to see Vanessa, so can you...
okay.
Hi, buddy.
Hi. Hey.
So you're seeing other.
I feel a deep connection with him also.
So what is this then?
This
Are you seeing other passengers?
this is like
I mean, we haven't put labels on this, but the feelings they're real.
they are definitely super real.
She doesn't need labels.
Are you tending to multiple people at the same time?
yes, like that's kind of multiply love.
And I've
In a friendly way.
I've never had a relationship like this before. It's uncharted territory.
There's some people working there. The people coming 4, 5, and 6 are waiting. Hannes.
Oh boy.
You're really important to me.
I'm feeling jealous.
But it's like we shared this deep connection. This is unique.
Yeah, and I feel it. Can we get some labels on it? Is it time for us?
It seems like you're making it more about you than about her.
Who are you?
Okay, now I know what you're coming for, but I can't see again with this now.
The pilot.
Excuse me, sir, is the flooring you're coming okay? We have cleaned it before.
It's not polished enough. Like when I come to take this plane, I was expecting like a perfectly brushed, sanded wood. But what is this? So I have to take, things on my own. Matter. That's why I always travel with all of my equipment to sand.
That is very intelligent of you, sir. I am telling this story on my behalf and my company for leaving the floor in this terrible condition.
Not accepted. This is not accepted. I paid a lot of money for this.
Yes.
I was expecting world-class quality here, and this doesn't cut it.
Well, I mean, fair enough, maybe the floor is not perfectly polished, but I mean the rest of the cabin, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, look at those windows with the frames in gold and silver and the ornaments around them.
It's not like covered in gold. It's not like made out of gold. Expectations that I was having for my trip.
And if a window was made out of gold, it wouldn't be a window, it would be a mirror at best.
I don't care. I want quality. Okay.
Yes, sir. I am terribly sorry. I will see if we can replace the window.
That would be appropriate.
Yes, sir.
Can you call like the staff to change the windows?
Sorry, did you want the gold spray? Or the silver spray?
Oh my god, which one?
No, not the spray. We want a gold window. Made of gold.
Okay, yeah.
Because the staff is at the same level as the wood here.
I mean, we have failed you, and I am terribly sorry for that. I can only offer you a complimentary lunch, of course, on behalf of the
I heard that we needed a window delivered here.
Yes.
I do have a window. Excuse me, sir, do you have a monocle under those goggles? Yeah. Just a quick monocle check. Okay, thank you so much. I have a window.
Yes, put it on top of the other window. Oh, yes, we
I
placed
wasn't the
other
first
window.
one here. Oh, on top of the existing window that is a part of the plane.
I mean, exactly, we could remove the other window, but you know, the pressure and stuff.
Anything for our customers here. I will jump out of this plane if it makes this gentleman happy.
Would you like that?
Sir, I've been feeling that this plane is lacking a bit of entertainment. You know? Maybe some people jumping over, like, that could help.
Well, the customer is always right.
I've been waiting for this day. For so long! I've been baiting customer and customer to make me jump out of the plane, but I've never got the opportunity. Oh, this for me. Please. I have a parachute.
Just follow here, and like at the end here.
Toodaloo!
So we've got the entire second floor here.
Oh
This
my
high
God.
ceiling just for us HR.
HR trips are the best!
Yes! You see, the soft walls and everything. It's like a church. Wait. Oh, soft floor. Here's where I'll be working all the time.
You mean working?
Yeah. Talking.
Yeah, talking a lot. Tell me one of those sentences that you tell to people.
That I think you're projecting now. It's okay, but it's good to get it out.
Yeah.
And we're gonna schedule an investigation or
For the future.
a few more meetings. Yes. And I guess we'll bring them here for the meetings. Should we just keep it to ourselves?
I like being here just with you.
Yeah.
This is like our private trip now.
Yeah. I can't even tell if the plane is moving or not now. Now, they called it the womb, the designer. Do you feel it? I'm getting signals that I should.
Yeah, I know, it's amazing.
It's like I felt like I was in the right to go in for a hug. But then again, maybe how you were experiencing it. Let's talk about this.
You guys mind if I leave? Because this is super. You just need to get this over with. I've just been watching the sexual chemistry is explosive.
Maybe we
Yeah.
just need a couple more meetings and like.
Let's just get back together.
You dated? I understand.
Yeah.
First time foreigners not playing this. See what a monocle.
You new here?
Well, you fly here very often?
Yeah, from time to time.
Oh,
It's quite chill here, you know, nice upward currents. I don't need to like move my wings very much.
I can see. You're very chill with your flying.
Yeah.
I just love the wind in the face.
This is something. What's wrong with him?
She just loves the wind in her face.
Who am I to judge? Right? Yeah.
Anyway,
So where are you going? Australia?
I'm just following the plane.
Definitely yes.
Oh, where are you going?
Australia.
Following the plane.
Yes.
You're not more special than us.
How many monocles do you have?
One.
Dad.
Dad. Okay, Sam, those birds are definitely following
But
us.
there's they talk.
They can talk.
Yeah.
I can read their beaks.
Dad, you told me all those cartoons were crazy, but like it's true.
I'm rethinking everything I knew about life, son. Okay. All right, Sam.
That one is so cool.
It's got a monocle in both eyes. It should probably just have a pair of glasses.
They're going to Australia.
We're going to Australia.
Oh, right. Dad, I need to tell you something.
I have no idea what you're about to say.
It's just I'm not stopping in Australia. I'm going with Mom from Australia to China. So,
That's so impractical.
sorry. You like to make it complicated. I'm more like her. Like you did practical. Mom.
You're not going to stay in Australia with me? You're going to go to China with Mom? I mean,
Yeah.
everybody knows Australia is the #1 connecting destination. Routing flights from Europe to China.
Yeah. I studied this in school. Yeah. What do you want to say to that?
Don't change. I'm concerned about you staying with Mom.
Yeah.
I just had a whole trip planned. I had a whole thing in my head. We could maybe I don't know, decompress these birds, then have a postmortem on what the heck they were both looking at.
Yeah, but with Mom, it's even more cool stuff. It's not just talking words.
Cool. I showed you my police badge earlier, right? Yeah, it's a real police badge. I'm a cop.
You don't have a monocle.
I don't like using the monocles that they give you. I prefer bringing my own. I forgot mine. They usually give you monocles like when they give you the earbuds.
Excuse me, sir, if you are not willing to wear your monocle, I'm going to have to kick you out of the plane.
I'll use the.
You know, it's a competency.
I'll put the monocle.
Thank you very much.
I don't, Ryanair has its problems, but I feel like I'll take this.
That's much better.
Do you think that the plane will come?
Not with that attitude.
I mean, you know,
Come on, we have been practicing for like 2 weeks here. Come on. No, you lost it.
I thought we were doing this together.
Okay,
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, wow, those are really easy to see.
Let me say hi to them too.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh, yeah, bring that. While you're at it, can you bring my chair back? Somebody borrowed it. I'm trying to steer a plane
so just so you're more active. Sorry.
Oh, okay. I mean,
So
it's
what's with the bonfire?
okay. All right.
Yeah.
We're prepared for landing.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Give me that bonfire. Okay. All right. Landing gear. Oh yeah. Oh, that's what I like. All right, check. Well, this is a gas.
It's good.
All part of the job, right? No matter how much you pay, you'll never understand what we say.